So that is it, guys. It's now the end of the year, the end of 2022. It's been a fantastic year for this channel as we have approached it at 1.75k. It's been a very good year for the MixedSid channel, I can't complain. So to celebrate the New Year's Eve, what we're going to do is I'm going to celebrate with a Tequila Slammer. So if you want the Tequila Slammer, stick with me as I will show you how to get the party started. It is one of those unique shop recipes. If you know what Tequila Slammer is, you'll know what this is. So what you want to do first is get your shot glass and fill it first with tequila. So this gives me the perfect excuse to use the Tequila Reposado. It's a very unique brand at Don Julio, so if you've ever had it, it's a premium tequila and it's very, very nice. It is an absolutely beautiful tequila. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. So this is the Reposado. So fill up halfway. So as you can see, it's aged in oak barrels. This has a little bit of a different colour to your Tequila Blanco. So I will show you the other one. So this is the one that I got from Las Vegas. This is the Don Julio Blanco one, so it's a lot more clearer. So with the Reposado, it's much more smoother. As I say, it's aged more in the barrels of the oak. It gives it that uncommon, rich flavour with the smoothness of the tequila. It's absolutely beautiful and it's a fantastic Christmas present. I can't wait to try this, especially in a quality shot such as the Tequila Slammer. Fun fact as well, it's created in 1942 Don Julio, the first premium tequila. So what you want to do now, guys, is just layer on your sparkling wine. I'm using Prosecco, which is classed as a sparkling wine. You can use champagne if you've got it, I do, but I prefer Prosecco, truthfully, over champagne. One Tequila Slammer, and now the next one. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, 2 Tequila Slammers. And there we go, 2 Tequila Slammers to bring in the new year. Can't wait to try this. So with the Tequila Slammer, what you do is you slam it down and then you chug it down to enjoy that fizziness that comes with that. It's very unique. So I'll show you. So I'll do one and then I'll do the next one. So what you want to do is cover up the shot glass. Don't slam it too hard that you crack the glass. So while it's still fizzing, what we'll do now is give it a slam while it's still fizzing and then chug it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So you can still feel the fizziness from the sparkling wine from the Prosecco. Gives you a little... You can just feel the bubbles inside you. It's a really fun drink to do. Get the party started and it's a fun way of doing it. That's why it's called a Tequila Slammer. Give it a little bit of a bang. Get the bubbles fizzing and then just down it in one. But that, guys, is the Tequila Slammer. That is the end of 2022. That is my end to it with the Tequila Slammer, the Don Julio, as it was. As I just absolutely love the Don Julio brand. It's a quality tequila. And the Prosecco I was using is I Heart Prosecco, as it is a fine Prosecco. It's one I've used before and I'd recommend it. But that, guys, has been my New Year's Eve celebration with the Tequila Slammer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more drinks, more mixology, more cocktail recipes, as I will be doing next to celebrate New Year is the Don Julio Negroni. So it will be a tequila based Negroni, this one, as I will celebrate 2023 with that, as I will see you guys in the new year. Have a nice night, guys, stay safe, drink sensibly, and I will see you guys in the new year. Stay fantastic. Cheers.